Every day, we send millions of text messages without thinking. You type, you hit send, and your friend gets it almost instantly. But in that split second, your text goes on a surprisingly complicated journey. In this video, we'll follow one text message from my phone to my friend's phone, step by step. First, when I type, for example, "on my way," my phone has to turn that sentence into something a computer can understand. Bits. Every letter, space, and symbol gets converted into a pattern of ones and zeros, so the message stops being English and becomes digital. Next, your phone has to get those bits off your device and into the network. It does this using radio waves. Very quietly, your phone sends out a tiny radio signal to the nearest cell tower, kind of like a super fast walkie-talkie conversation. Once the tower receives your message, it sends it into your carrier's core network. That's the big invisible system run by your phone company. Inside that network, a special server called an SMS center, or SMSC, acts like a post office for texts. It figures out who you're texting, which company they're with, and where their phone is in the world right now. Before sending your text out, the network has to locate your friend's phone. It checks a database to see which cell tower their phone last talked to and whether it's currently available. Once it knows where to send the message, it routes it out towards your friend's nearest tower. Now, the friend's cell tower does the same thing your tower did. It sends the bits over radio waves down to your friend's phone. Their phone turns those ones and zeros back into letters and punctuation, and just like that, "on my way" pops up on their screen. But what if your friend's phone is off or out of signal when you send the text? The SMS center doesn't just give up. It holds onto your message for a while and keeps trying. As soon as your friend's phone reconnects to the network, it gets the message delivered. Now, in this video, we've been talking about classic text messages called SMS. Modern apps like iMessage, WhatsApp, or Messenger send your text over the internet instead of the old SMS post office. The path is a little different, but the basic idea is the same. Your words become bits, travel through networks, and get turned back into words on someone else's screen. So, the next time you fire off a quick text, remember what's happening behind the scenes. Your message turns into bits, rides radio waves to a tower, gets sorted by your carrier's text post office called the SMSC, finds your friend's tower, and finally lands on their phone. All of that usually happens in well under a second. So for something we barely think about, texting is a pretty amazing piece of everyday science.